is what we are buying.
Sujit, salad எடுக்கிறீங்களா 540
Eyelet.
அதுல
This is 60. 60 per yard. Ay, per meter. Per meter. So, if you want to make a top out of it, this would be nice. Tapos yung tahi niya, yung dun sa nakita natin.
Kapon, na green?
Yes.
Ito yung laylayan mo.
Exactly.
Ito yung top.
Yes, madam. Marunong ka ba?
Yes. Very
Do
easy.
you know how?
Very easy.
Suppose we're gonna buy tela because Jen's gonna make pambahay children's clothing kasi we have a niece. This is what we're getting. Mickey Mouse, the donut.
Donut, kinuha mo yung donut.
The donut. Ang cute nito, oh.
White.
Pinya. Oh. Saan to maganda? Kumuha ka nitong pinya.
Dolce, mga ka-dolce ka? Dolce Gabbana. Mga pinya-pinya.
Oo, cute yan. Jane, ito pala, oh.
Meron na dun. Kalas.
Pero mas mura ata to kasi
80 to.
Ha?
80 yan. Spain yan.
Ah, ganun. This one, it says made in Spain. It's a bit pricey. It's around 100 or 200 per meter.
What's this, linen?
All their linens are made from made in Oh my god, ang lambot.
120.
She's buying this one for her.
Dito ko binili yung mga ano eh. Linen. Tignan mo yung linen doon na natin na stripe. Ang ganda. Mahal mo.
This one. It's made in Europe as well. And ang gaganda.
White also?
Off-white.
Saan mo ilalagay? This is all for 18. Ayan pa. Yung fanar, oh. Sa gilid lang pala tayo.
Malikod.
So, we're leaving the Divisoria.
Oh yeah. That's your caption, Divisoria in Qatar.
Ah, may kainang Pinoy. We're here at Cocktail Beirut. This is avocado.
How much your avocado?
Sarap. It's already 11:30 in the evening. Hi! Good evening. Hindi ako nakapagbabay na naman sa last vlog. Lagi natin nakakalimutang magbabay din.
Yeah.
Walang laging outro. Walang outro. Hi everyone! Welcome to the vlog. We're gonna go at DoubleTree. And we're gonna having suhoor buffet. Suhoor is
The meal before you start the fast.
the meal before you start the fast. So that's what we're having. DoubleTree.
Give me that, please. Oh, okay. Yes. Thank you.
Just a tiny, just a small portion. Just a small one. Okay, and then little rice. Just 1 scoop. Thank you. Ano meron dyan? Diyan mo na nalagay. Chicken leg.